Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React, and today I'm going to show you some really cool stuff. This is things coming in version 1.6 that we are going to release as a pre-release DLC very soon. We have some really cool stuff. One of the things I have been wishing for a very long time is to be able to link anything inside Sketch2React to anything else. So linkable images, for example, or for example, if I want to link this text here to something, this has not been possible before. Now we have something, a new component and it's named link. So how do you create a link? So for example, I have already made one here. So what I did, from the beginning, this was, I can just show you. Let's do this, detach from symbol. Let me show you how this is done. We have here, I had from the beginning this image. So I grouped the image and I called the folder name link, like that. And then I made a text node and I call that one attribute.href and also an attribute.target and place them inside in this same area of the image. They need to be together. So, and this group here I turned into a symbol, and the symbol I just called linkable image. You can call that whatever you want. Let's do that again. Let's take away that one and let's make this into a symbol like that, and let's call this one linked image like that. And what happens here is you can now link this to any other place. So first I want this to link to this one. So to work in prototype mode, you just press W and you just link like that. But I also want this to work in code. So I need to put in here dot slash, and this one is called second dot html. Like that. And now let's check this out in our code app if this works. Like that, it works. Awesome. So let's say that I want to link this text here to page, not this one, but this one. Let's do this again. So I have my paragraph here. And this needs to be, I need to detach it first, like that. And inside here I just have a text. So let's do that once again. We group this, we call this one link, like that. And then we need to have two small files that are super important. We can go and copy them from this one. These two there. And let's input them into our new component that we are building here, like that. And let's just put them like that inside the area of the text. You don't need to do that, but it's neater when you have turned this into a symbol. So, and we could just do like that, take that away, and create symbol, and call this one linkable text, like that. And we want to send this one to this artboard over here. So W, boom, like that, and then we need to input ./third.html, like that. And let's check this out in our code app. So, like, so, boom! It's so sweet. Check this out. And then we see that we have this also. This is really cool. And this one is linked to that one. And the styling from this, the underline thing, comes from Bootstrap's default link styling. So if you want to change this one, you go into the exported CSS for that includes the Bootstrap thingy, and change it there. Like that. Pretty neat stuff. Also, as I have your attention, I can show you how another new thing. It's that we now have support for SketchCloud documents. So first of all, let me upload this to SketchCloud. Like that. Now I have my document in SketchCloud here. And this is really neat. So let's open this one up inside of Sketch. Open Cloud document. And this one appears like that. And it's going to load it. And you see the icon here. This is now a SketchCloud document. So let's show you where you find these documents so you can link them inside our Sketch app, because they are hidden inside your library folder. So you need to go to your library, and then you go to application support, and then Bohemian Coding, Sketch 3, and inside there you will find something that's called Cloud Documents. And here today I have changed and uploaded this one, and here it is. So, and here it is inside our code app, working like magic. And this is incredible because I can now share these. This is now a shareable SketchCloud document, which means anything I make, all the changes I making here, let's just change this one. So build for very ambitious designers, like that. And then let's see. It takes a little while for this to update to the SketchCloud thingy. We can reload here, see if the change has exactly. So, and this is really cool because if I press here, you have versioning here. This is awesome. So myself 3 minutes ago, and this one appears, see the latest version, and I click there, and it's changed here. If you look here, and I will do that, boom, boom, boom. How freaking awesome isn't this, you know? Now I can share this with anyone else. People can go inside and like comment here, write comments, and this is another level of Sketch and Sketch2React collaboration. And this, of course, will open up tons of new things if you are using Sketch for Teams. So really, really, really cool things coming in version 1.6. I'm not even done yet, but we will stop here because we have some other things that are major. This pre-release should be available in a couple of weeks, maybe 1-2 weeks for us DLC, and you will find the link on our website. And if you bought our previous DLC version, you will get a big fat discount. Have a great one. Cheers, guys.